Good morning, welcome back, and we all survived the storm over the weekend. But apologies for being late. So I have no Wi-Fi at the moment. So I'm tethering off my phone. So if I drop out for any reason, that will be it. Good morning, Mandela. Welcome back. What was a week seems like a month. So it's good to be back, man.
Yeah, good to be back too. Good morning. Good morning.
So when I left you guys the other week, we were on 105k. Didn't have a good week last week at all. I was looking at a new strategy. Started off so promising, but it just didn't work out for me. I don't like the way it trades. Seems to flip flop, between which positions to take. And so we're now sitting at 103.392. You can see that here, and we had a high of 104.949. So we're about, what's that? About $1,500 down. So it's not great. Hopefully we can get back to it this week. What I am looking for is this morning I'm looking to take a long position on gold, potentially on the next candle actually. So looking to go long. So what's going on, Mandela? What have you been up to?
Everything's good. Stormy weather this weekend changed things up a bit for us over here too. But it was nice to have a week of a week off, I guess, a week of breaks. I think we need that sometimes, especially going into holidays. So did a few family things, had some family visiting, which was very nice to have. And back at the trade. And again, this week should be a pretty busy week as we get closer to Christmas. So looking forward to this week's trading calendar and what this week has in store for us.
Yeah, for sure. It's getting back into it. Probably got a week or two left of trading, before I call it like quits for the holidays. And I really wanted to get this challenge passed in November, but we finished November quite strong. We finished with 3.7, even though I took that loss, and about 3k per account. I'd be happy with that over 5 accounts. That would be 15k for the month, right? So it's not too bad if you can get it. So what's happening in the world of news today, Mandela?
Let's have a quick look at the news, and as always, please just let me know if there is any movements over there in gold. We can always pause and jump back. So this week is a fairly busy week. I think the main items that are coming up for this week start on Wednesday. We get the inflation numbers. See the 3 stars. Inflation numbers out of the US at 1:30 UK time. That's a big headline. So this is inflation. Has it increased? Has it decreased? And what the inflation looks like as we go into the end of 2024. Also on Thursday, we will get producer price index, which is Wednesday is consumer inflation. Thursday is producer inflation. That will finish up the week for us. But for today in particular, Andrew, we're just gonna keep our eye out. We like to do the opening range breakout, and we know some days it doesn't work. So we just wait patiently for those days that it does work. Nothing major on the calendar to give us any particular reason to kind of trade around news today. But that's for you, Andrew. That's our news update for today. Looking forward to Wednesday and Thursday, really.
Excellent, thanks, Mandela. So it looks like a good trading day today, through the London and New York session as well. So that's great. Do have some good news for us today. So just like to say that today's show is brought to us by TradeZella, the only tool you need to become a profitable trader. So let's quickly put up the website. So TradeZella helps you discover your strengths and weaknesses to become a profitable trader with the power of journaling and analytics. So please go over to the site at TradeZella.com, and what they can do is your powerful and automated trade journaling. You can analyze your trading stats. You can gain some key insights. You can actually look up 50 plus reports to monitor your trading progress. And if you do have a profitable strategy, you can actually create a playbook to stay on top of your strategy and your rules. and you can actually discover if your strategy is working for you. And finally, with TradeZella, you can take it one step further. You can backtest, replay, and improve. So thank you very much to TradeZella for sponsoring today's show. And we look forward to working with them. I'm going to start linking my accounts up so we can actually start sharing our stats. So thanks to TradeZella. Really appreciate the sponsorship this morning.
Yeah, great to have them on board, and looking forward to continuing to work with them.
So we're looking at gold. I was looking at that breakout, and so let's quickly jump over to a trade. So we've taken that long position, just something I spotted over the weekend, so I won't go into it too much detail. But with the storm, for some reason, on my trading view, charts have reset, so I need about 30 minutes to an hour to set them back up for tomorrow's show. I think it might be because I'm actually streaming off my phone. I'm actually using the hotspot for this show, so if it's a little bit bumpy, that's the reason why. So we're in a trade. We're up about $100 at the moment. Let's see if we can get up to that TP of 600, and I'd lock myself out of the account if we can get to that. So we'll keep an eye on this trade. And do we have, should we chat some charts?
Yeah, we can do that, definitely. We can have a quick look at some charts right now. Let's see what we got first. You just covered gold for us. So why don't we start? How do you feel about starting with Bitcoin?
Yeah, that'd be great. So
okay.
Bitcoin hype still alive and kicking, right? So you can tell. You know what? I know when crypto does well, right? Because I get WhatsApp messages for people I haven't heard from in about 2 or 3 years, and all of a sudden it's like, "Hey pal, hey mate." I'm like, "Oh, okay, you remember me now, right?"
And probably some of them are the ones you introduced to crypto, I'm sure.
No, do you know what it is? It's always the same ones that when crypto's at 16k, I'm not buying that rubbish. When it's at 32k, Bitcoin's a scam. And now we're at the late 90s. Should I buy crypto? And I'm like, well, first of all, I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't give you that advice. And secondly, you asked me the same question, 16k, and you told me it's a scam. So this is the influx of this is the new money and liquidity, right? But we like to take. So,
we always talk about that as a sign of maybe we're getting towards the end of the up channel, or the end of the trend.
I didn't think of it like that, but I could use it as like the Kramer indication that the bull runs over, right? When I start getting messages from people I haven't spoke to in a while. So so Bitcoin, okay, it's where are we sitting at? Sitting around 99. Okay, so we broke the hundreds. We're gonna retest back, and I think that 92 is solid support. We rejected
92 down here.
Yeah, you can see that last candle.
This one here. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, so there's a massive rejection there on Bitcoin, and the buyers got back in, took some control. But we haven't pushed back up to that all-time high. I don't trade crypto, so I'm just purely speculating now. But I'm still bullish on crypto because there's a lot more new people from the last bull run invested into crypto. So it's looking good. I think anything above 90k, I think it's a great opportunity. And again, congratulations to all the crypto bros that have gone through the pain in the last 5 to 10 years.
It's been,
so what are you thinking?
Really, really painful. I had just before, because you mentioned the people calling you and speaking to you, I had a gentleman speak to me at football training yesterday, and he said, I bought Bitcoin back in 2020. I put in £1,000. I haven't touched it. Do you think you could help me to figure out how to sell it? So I thought, there's probably quite a few people like him who bought it and just kind of forgot about it, which I think is probably a good thing. So I don't know. I feel like we're due a pullback at some point, even if it's just something similar to this that we got after hitting 104. I don't know. I don't know about shorting it though. That's my concern is I don't know if we get a pullback that's more sustained here, or if we just get like a little stop run and then we continue higher. Andrew, it's a really tough one. I know usually when we do see a bull run, it doesn't last for just 6 months or 5 months.
Yeah.
So that's my thinking.
Moved pretty quick, right? Set some new levels. It seems to consolidate then for the year. But yeah, for myself, looking at the daily chart, it just looks extremely bullish to me at the moment. We could be seeing 107s pretty soon.
Yeah, 107 is a big one. I think that's probably the next stop on the uptrain here. But as we always say, like, don't be surprised if there is some sort of not a flash crash, but some sort of downward move, just as people are taking profits from below. If we're near all-time highs, that means majority of people are in profit. So it's only natural that somebody's going to take. There are people that are going to take profit. Yeah,
so a lot of people I know are cashing out 50%.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, it's just something to be mindful of. Can we go over to XRP? Now that is something I'm interested in. And
XRP has moved. It has woken up.
Okay.
I think we have some lines here. Let's see if we got the lines still. Whoa, the lines are way down here. This is what we were looking at around election time, just before election time.
That's right. Yeah, we were looking at a breakout, and we were saying that like a dollar was strong support and the 130 was resistance. You can see now that 130 is acting as the new support. Yep. And yeah, we broke through that quite nicely, pulled back, and the price is pushed up. And again, I'd be quite it looks quite similar to the Bitcoin chart. So yeah, we could be seeing a pullback with XRP, but as long as it's trending above $2, I think that's quite favorable. And yeah, you can see some nice support just below that. You can see where the price rejected twice around. Was it $2.15?
$2.50, somewhere here.
Yeah, you can see there was pullback. So I'd be using that as my new support, stop loss just below that level. And I'd probably stay in that trade. I'd hold. Like, I think a lot of people got into XRP when it's around 50 cents or 60 cents, where it just hovered at that price for about 2 years. So yeah, XRP is looking good. We need to speak to PJ and find out why we've got such a push up.
Yeah, you just read my mind. I was just thinking, we got to get PJ back on the show. I think he was traveling recently, but it'd be nice to get him back on.
Yeah, it'd be good. We'd have to do a weekend show, I think, where all our times align, because I think it's like 1 a.m. for PJ now. So
yeah,
but, we should dial him in, just for fun one morning.
I know sometimes he goes to sleep really late. Right. So we could probably catch him before he goes to bed, and we'll be just waking up. That would be fun. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna send him a quick WhatsApp. This is live on air, but I'm gonna send him a quick WhatsApp and see if he's awake.
And if he's not awake, he will be soon. But after this we'll have a quick look at the S&P. I know you like to trade the S&P.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's have a quick look. Yeah, S&P. So the strategy works really well when we do get a nice clean breakout. And last week it was not a week where we got clean breakouts. It was a lot of fake outs and false breakouts. It was not a great week.
A lot of news last week as well. I noticed.
Yeah.
Should be a better day today.
Yeah, I have this is the Asian range. Just put that in place. So we hit the high here, early hours this morning in the Asian session, and then this was the low hit just about 6 hours ago. So in the middle of the Asian range, I don't know if this is right. I think the previous close was closer to 1690. Let's just change that real quick. 1690.3. Yeah, I know this strategy is definitely not for everyone, and it takes it takes back testing and stuff.
Yeah, so I done a couple of trades. I successful with it when I used it. It was the other strategy, the other M15 that I was using that give me the loss on gold. But
okay.
Yes,
okay.
I did run this last week, and yeah, it was okay. There was a lot of news. I was trading around the news, really. Just sat out. So I'll probably look at S&P today. Get my chart ready around 2:30 p.m. and have a look at that. But yeah, I was testing out another strategy, and I won't give out the name, but yeah, I was offered to test something out. I did. It worked well. It was a future strategy, but due to the news, I just found the price hopped around too much, and it just wasn't for me. Yeah, just each their own, right? All strategies work for certain people, and people are different and traders are different. So yeah, that strategy didn't work for myself.
Yeah, and that's okay. That's okay.
That's fine.
Actually, talking about that, I did try. So I've been trying out an earning strategy, where you buy a company that's announcing earnings. Let's say, for example, GameStop is announcing earnings on this week Tuesday, so tomorrow after the close, and you just buy, go long and go short, and then as long as GameStop moves, you kind of cash in the right one and get out of the wrong one. But it's something that I know other people do it, and I've been kind of just testing it out to see how profitable it can be, and so that's another thing I guess we can talk about as the shows progress.
Yeah, it's a good way to like I say, hedge your trades, right? And
exactly.
Just get on the right direction. Yeah, and that's a good idea. So for us at the moment, we're running. Well, what are we running? We're running 220 in profit at the moment. This morning, we seem to be pushing up quite nicely. So, once we get up to about 450, I'll try and get our stop into break even. So I'm expecting to push through the next candle, and it's what we spoke about earlier. So still in what I'm looking at is still a trial, right? But you can see now we got the VWAP and the moving average lining up quite nicely. Just getting a bit of a pullback on the price. But let's just watch this trade. But it's good to be Mark Mandela. And I had a week off, and it felt like a month. And can you believe we're 44 shows in, so that's 44 early mornings.
That's a good number. That's a very good number. 44. That's sounds like a good show.
Yeah,
if it's made it this far.
I was hoping to pass the challenge by now, mind, but yes.
Sometimes it's better to kind of take it slow and steady, and instead of trying to rush. I know.
I lack some patience, right? So yes, but we're looking okay at the moment, and I'm expecting a nice, hopefully a bullish candle in just over 2 minutes. So what's going on, Mandela, today? Any plans?
Yeah, so today, looking to get some exercise in. So hit the gym, do some heavy weights, and just try and stay healthy with mind, body, spirit. And then have a nice lunch, and then right to the trading desk and focusing on market open, on New York open. I'm trying to trade the best way I can with the S&P 500. And if there's any other moves, maybe in gold, I'll see if I can get some collect some pips, and then I feel like I'm not going to be trading as much the week of Christmas. So this is kind of like the last hurrah for 2024. So just trying to focus on, capital preservation, but also when the moves are there, sometimes you just have to go for it.
Yeah, definitely. And yeah, same here. So leading up to Christmas, I'll probably call it a day, probably do a Christmas show with yourself just to quickly review the year.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
yeah, I'm hoping to get this challenge passed before the new year. I want to get onto the 150k in January. But yeah, I just want to give another shout out to TradeZella, for sponsoring the show. We really appreciate it. And, we are open to collaboration, with other traders or any prop firms out there that'd like to talk to us. Please feel free to reach out or reply to my emails. I know the two of us sent out probably about 50 emails over the weekend.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
yeah. So if you received an email, sorry, not sorry. Yeah, just help us with the show so we can keep it going. So where are we on this trade? We're still sitting around $200 at the moment. Yeah, the next candle's gonna be quite interesting. Hopefully we can get a push up. And yeah, if we can get that take profit, we'll probably end the show on a good day. But here we are. We're back to the patience. We're back to waiting. And yeah, let's see how this next candle opens now in just under 10 seconds.
That's what it's really about. It's really about, I mean, you're showing the real, true nature of this business.
Okay, so here we go. And I'm expecting a bull. As I said, the candle goes red. I was expecting a bullish move right about now. The suspense.
I'm trying not to say anything that will be heard by the good traders, because they're listening to our show right now.
The gold gods are listening. So okay, so yeah, I'm expecting a bit of a bullish move up from here. Just something I was looking at and back testing over the weekend. So we've got a 9 moving average, got our anchored VWAP, and yeah, we've got a nice crossover here. So yeah, I'm expecting that price to push up a little bit, and as I say it, the price pushes down. But yeah, let's see how this trade goes.
Just a reminder, everybody who's watching our show, thank you for watching, and also feel free to post in the chat. Happy to kind of discuss and go through anything that you want us to cover, answer any questions or charts.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, jump in the chat, let us know. And yeah, don't forget you can follow us on X, or formerly known as Twitter, at AndrewWill911 and at SignatureFX. Twitter is the best way to communicate with us. Drop us a message on Twitter and we will get back to you. So yeah, I've just put our Twitter usernames on the ticker on the bottom of the screen. And yeah, let's see if we can get a push into a take profit today.
I definitely think gold... all I'll say is gold's looking good, if that's okay. Gold is looking good.
Yeah, but don't say which direction, right?
I'm not going to say which direction.
It's just looking good.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're nearly a 50% take profit level. Wanted to get up to about 450. I'll get a stop into break even. But yeah, from what I've seen on the weekend, what we're doing right now look quite favorable. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I need to be quiet, right? Every time I say something, it does the opposite. Quick look on the M15.
Let's see here. I'm having a look at. I'm having a quick look at Bitcoin here as well this morning.
So yeah, if you're Bitcoin, we can always jump back into this trade. So where are we at the moment? We're 260, 300. Here we go. Okay, let's get us up to 450 and get our stop into break even. I'll be quite happy then.
Actually, let's go back to that.
So yeah, we're pushing up quite nicely. So yeah, we're looking quite favorable. Okay, just seen your comment in the private chat. Yeah, loud and clear.
Yeah, I didn't see that until just now.
We're
So I
late to the
thought I'd
party, right?
respond. Yeah.
So yeah, where are we at now? So we're at 400. Yeah, okay, here we go. We're pushing up nicely now, and yes, trade. Gold's looking good, but we're not saying the direction. But yeah, hopefully we can get that stop into break even pretty soon.
Yeah, stopping to break even. I think it's always a good feeling to start off a week with a positive trade with a gain, and it's, for me, it kind of sets the tone. Now, mind you, it's not going to happen every week, but when you can get some sort of profit, especially if you can move your stop to break even or a slight profit, I don't know. It gives you a little bit of boost,
Yeah, it puts you in a good mood for the week. It'll be a happy Monday, and also then it gives you that a little bit of a leverage. If I do take a loss, you're ready up for the week. So it's not too bad. So I like to start off positive, and just hoping this price can continue to push up. So just under 20 seconds, and let's see what the next candle can do. But how was the football on the weekend? We're just talking randomly now, but my team's a disaster. It's just causing me a lot of pain at the moment. So
do you have a new coach, right?
Yeah, we got a new coach. He's really good, but you can't polish a turd, right? Pardon the expression, but the players are the players. You can bring in anyone, right? It doesn't matter if you still got the same squad. So they're not delivering on the pitch, and it's just painful. And I probably watch every game, and it's just a weekend of pain. So it's not good, mate.
I think you guys are in a rebuilding phase. It's like a consolidation, as we would call it. But you just got to wait for the breakout.
Yeah, it's been about 10 years, right? Could have built a house quicker. So compared to where we were, it's just painful. But let's see what happens now. I suppose next season we'll have to write this season off. But we got gold pushing down at the moment. It's not the move I wanted, but okay. Let's just stay in this trade.
Have you shifted the stop yet? Or
I haven't. No, we didn't get up to that 450 mark, but okay, interesting. Yeah, now we'll stick with the trade. We'll leave our stop where it is, and if we might be starting off with a bad week, might be playing catch up now on a Monday, which is not great.
Yeah, what was your entry? What's the profit at unrealized?
So we're on 0 at the moment, and we got in at 2663. So we can see it here, right?
Yeah, I see it now. Yeah, I see it.
And it's your entry here.
Yeah, I was doing it for the viewers, the live viewers as well. I think we have some live viewers on board with us today.
Yeah, so we did. We broke. We got in around here. Price pushed up, and it's actually rejected around 2665.3, pushing back down to our entry. And it's not great, but okay. It could just be a pullback for this candle, hopefully, and we can get up to that TP. So we'll keep an eye on this. And just looking at something else.
Yeah, I'm seeing it here. This is still the 5 minutes. So it looks like it's about just over 2 minutes left on this 5 minute candle.
Yeah, I'm just checking the price on the Forex. Okay. Yeah, it could be seen just a bit of a pullback. So let's keep an eye on this trade. So for myself, just got a day of meetings today, to be honest. So gonna start around 9 o'clock and just straight on to Teams. So I'd like to get this trade done within the next hour if I can. And just under 2 minutes now. But we'll see. Now it seems to be rejecting off that 9 moving average on that VWAP level. If it breaks below that, we'll probably look to reverse the trade.
Is there on Top Step? Is there a easy reverse button?
Yeah,
or
so
do you have to?
yeah, it's fun. Controls here are really good. So you can see your reverse here. So hit the button, and you can actually flatten all. So any high impact news or any unexpected moves, you can hit the flatten all, and it cancels all your trades on the platform. So yeah, it's really good. You can actually add to your trades. You can actually take 50% of the profit. So I'm in a long position on 2. I've changed my contracts to 1 and hit sell. It would take 50% of the profits as well. So yeah, really good platform. So I'm happy with Top Step. But like I say, the acid test is when we get to a payout. But yeah, I don't see any issues with payouts with Top Step either. They seem really good. Probably are the best futures prop firm out there at the moment. So yeah, I'm enjoying working with Top Step. Really responsive as well. So they interact with us on X and any emails as well. They get back to me. So far so good. So it's a 10 to 10 for Top Step.
Yeah, well done. Yeah, you already have an account already under your belt. So I mean, you've also shown me and shown the YouTube universe how easy it is to use the platform. 44 episodes worth of
yeah, I should be
content
by now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so imagine like the first X amount of years I was using like MT4, MT5. So going to TradingView was like from analog to digital, right? It was a big move.
Yeah.
But I'm enjoying TradingView and enjoy the Top Step X platform. So we're opening them up now. Price. Yeah, I'm hoping that was just a pullback and we can get into our take profit. Just look at the Forex chart. We're definitely in a bullish move direction. It's quite bullish, so hopefully we can get into that take profit pretty soon.
Yeah, I think we were talking about the other day. We were talking about time frame. What's your time frame? And I know everybody has their own style of trading, and it's like their fingerprint or their signature. We always talk about it. But it seems like during this session, during this time in the morning, it just seems like you are able to really pick your spots, and you kind of get into a rhythm with gold. And I think
it suits,
no matter what, it suits you well.
Yeah, it suits my lifestyle. Obviously, I'm not a full-time trader yet, and work a 9 to 5.
Soon, very soon.
Yeah, one day, right? And I seem to like between 6 and 8 a.m. There's not too much news. There's not too much noise in the market. So yeah, it suits me at the moment. I do like the US Open. Get a lot of volatility, a lot of movement in the price as well. But just need to be mindful that it can be taken out as well, right? So I trade on the M5. So you get some good moves on the price, but yeah, you can get taken out pretty quick as well. So we'll be 3. I got my glasses on. I still can't see the price properly. So welcome back. Yeah, so we're around $400 in profit at the moment. Hopefully we can get a push up to our take profit. So yeah, the next candle is going to be quite interesting. So I'll tell you a story about the glasses. I put my glasses on and it was like quite dark. I actually tried to put another set of glasses over my glasses. So I need to book myself in for an eye test pretty soon. Yeah.
Did you not know you had the first pair on?
I was
you
tired,
needed a second. Okay.
Yeah, and I needed a
What's
second.
Going on? What's going on here?
I was thinking I buy one of these fit in properly. Yeah. But
Look, it happens.
Listen, old age can happen to us all, right? So yeah. And also the other one I keep doing is got my glasses on my head, and I'm looking for my glasses for about 5 or 10 minutes. Like, where are those glasses? Yeah, they're on my head.
That's classic.
Yeah, so we're up to $400 at the moment. Let's see if we can get a push through into that take profit. Be quite nice.
I wanted to mention another trader, Alex Lara. So I'm looking to try and get Alex, if she can, join the show. She is solely gold. Last time we checked, she only trades gold. So I did reach out to her. She's keen to join us, so maybe we'll get her on right before we finish up for the new year.
Yeah, it'd be great to get Alex on because she's a successful ICT trader, right? And
yeah,
and she does very well with gold. And yeah, ICT works really well for her. You know, I know some people are not too fussed on it, but yeah, she seems to have it down. You know, she's found what works for her, and yeah, she trades really well with gold. What she catch? She catches is it the magic bullet or the silver bullet? I can't keep up with ICT.
We do. So for anybody who is listening, we do have an interview with Alex. If you look into the playlist for Investing Blueprint, Alex Lera's show was earlier this year, I believe it was. You just look for Alex Lera. Yeah, look for Alex Lera. So the silver bullet is from it's the first after the first half an hour of trading. It's that first full hour of trading. So for us, it would be from 3 to 4. When you get, I guess, the most sort of the highest chance of a trend. And I learned that through the interview with her. I'm not really ICT.
Yeah, she does really well. She got her own YouTube channel. So if you check out Alex Lera, you can actually find her. What's the name of her company?
Now you've done it. It's a R word.
Ah, right. Okay.
Maybe it's for. Nah, is it? Let me see if we can. I'm gonna pull it up now, Andrew. Now my keyboard is very loud. Apologies for that. I'm just doing the old-fashioned way. RBV, Forex Made Easy. Yeah, so we're both right.
Yeah, so RBV, Forex Made Easy. So yeah, check the channel out. Subscribe, very, very good to trader. And yeah, she trades really well on gold. And talking about gold, we're getting closer to that take profit, right? So where are we at? Let's have a quick look. So yeah, we're sitting around the 360 mark at the moment. Yeah, would like a push into that TP. Might get that stop. Might put that stop around here now. Just below that 9 moving average might be a sensible thing to do.
I think that's smart.
Yes, we're getting closer. Yeah, so far so good. Let's just see if we can get a push up into that take profit. We're close.
Yeah,
don't say anything.
Okay, I won't say anything.
Yeah, we're looking good. Be a good way to start the week. So yeah, I'm just looking. Got another chart open on the screen, so I'm actually running the Forex chart as well. And yeah, we seem to be pushing up to that Asian high at the moment. So where are we at? Let's have a quick look. Okay, it's time to get that into break even. Okay, so now it's fun money, risk-free trade. Okay, so we've got a little bit of profit locked in. We got $40, so I can buy us a round of drinks and maybe a cheap pizza. So yeah, not at UK prices anymore. I just okay. So how do you find the UK? So you was here once, and then obviously you've come back. Do you find much difference in prices, groceries, and things?
Yeah, I think it's more expensive now. It feels more expensive now. I don't know if it's because before I was a student. I don't know what the reason is. Maybe it's COVID, post-COVID. But when we were here, so when I was here, what was it, 2020? Actually, I have it written down here because that would have been when we first met. So it was sometime. I'm having a look here. So I was at University of Birmingham from 2008 to 2010. So that would have been. What's that? 14 years ago?
Yeah, so I remember the days where university was the curse of the trading class, right? Yeah, I can remember us looking at the price of gold, and it was like, shoot, I gotta go to uni.
Yeah,
I had to go to work. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
On a way of
That's what it
trading,
is.
right?
Yeah,
So
I
yeah.
was. It feels like not long ago. And then so the other part is that was in Birmingham, up in the West Midlands. So I don't know if that's part of it as well, where London is just a little bit more expensive than Birmingham
Yeah,
anyway.
for sure. Yeah, London is
So
for
I think
sure.
it's combination of a few things. But we are. I think we're very sort of blessed and sometimes I forget to give thanks for all of the things that we do have. We're able to wake up and do these shows on YouTube. We don't have any major concerns for health, thankfully, and I'm just glad to be able to do these shows with you every morning, Andrew. It's
Yeah,
it's
but
really
we
fun.
do. Yeah, we do our passion, right? So I'm going to trade regardless. So I don't mind streaming it because I'm going to trade. And if any of these shows do help people out, especially the news and the charts, I'm glad to give something back, right? So yeah, that's pretty good. And you and I were going to trade regardless. And if we weren't talking on YouTube, we'd be talking on the phone. So yeah, why not stream it, right? It's just a day in the life of us, I suppose.
Yeah, no, and I totally agree. I totally agree. Being able to go back, and one thing I wanted to do last week when we took that time off, I wanted to go back and just put the shows on like the playlist, play all.
Yeah.
And just watch it and just see, how things played out. Some days I got about halfway through. And some days we'd take the trade and it would go in our favor, and other days it would, sometimes we'll go further than we thought. So it's just nice to be able to look back and see how far we've come.
Yeah, and I think as a trader, you got to realize you can't win them all as much as you want to. I'll be quite honest.
Yes.
If I win or lose, I don't really feel that much anymore. But I will say, like, if I take a loss or a big loss, I am disappointed in myself, and it can put me, only human, right? Can put me in a bit of a bad mood for the day. But yeah, it's that emotional detachment. I think it's important if you want to become a successful trader. You have to switch yourself off. From the dollar and loss. And as Pax taught us, right, it's an expense, not a loss. And when you run any business, you will have expenses. But
I think it's so important. It's so important how you talk to yourself and how you internalize things. And yeah, that's it right there, Andrew. You have to say that this is a business. Every business has an expense, and this is just part of the cost of doing business.
Yeah, definitely. And yeah, I'm still working on that myself, because at the moment my business has the expense of Twitter blue check, the expense of TradingView for live data, the expense of prop firms. So yeah, I'd rather more profits than expenses. But we getting there. And talking about getting there, we are pretty close to our take profit. So we just need that one final push with a 520 at the moment. So yeah, I'd be happy if we can get into that TP level. We're testing it. We're getting closer. So just one
what's
more push.
What's the TP level on your chart exactly?
So I'm 30 ticks.
Okay, got you.
Yeah, so trade 1-to-1. So 30 tick profit, 30 tick stop, and yeah, we're pretty close. Yeah, still hovering around the 520. So just need a little push through to get to that take profit level. And yeah, it will be a great way to start the week.
One thing I will say is that this strategy in particular, I think it works really well for you and your personality. And I've seen the back testing, I've seen the results. So keep it up. And also great, as you said, great to now have TradeZella, where we can, just help to it's just another tool to help to boost and encourage greater and better trading.
Yeah, no, they're excellent, and yeah, we're just really grateful that they have sponsored this morning's show. So yeah, get over to TradeZella.com, check them out, and yeah, and I link up my account to TradeZella so I can start sharing some of the data. So we're super close to our take profit level. We just seem to get a little bit of a pullback just then, so I'm mindful of that. I don't want to finish the day with $40. What I might do is put this stop up just around here. So we take about 50% profit. So yeah, I'm just quite mindful of where we're at on this candle. I would like to push through. We're so close to take profit, but we seem to be getting a little bit of resistance at 2666.1. So yeah, we will see. But yeah, TradeZella, fantastic, and just really happy that they reached out to yourself and give us the thumbs up for a bit of promotion during the show.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice to have that, that support from one of the bigger players in the industry when it comes to trade improvement and journaling. So yeah, really, really psyched, and I think it's a good sign of things to come as well, Andrew, for 2025.
Yes, yeah, definitely. And like I said earlier, we're open to collaboration with other traders.
Yeah, absolutely. Please reach out to us. We have quite a few live viewers, so thanks again, everybody. Not sure where you are in the world, but thank you for kicking it with us on this. For us, it's a Monday morning, 7 o'clock, almost on the dot.
Yeah, thanks all. And any comments, drop them into the chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, so gold, yeah, we seem to have stalled around this level, a bit of a pullback here. Quite mindful of where we're at. I want to finish the day about $40 if I can. So yeah, just going to watch this price here, but I'm hoping we can get a push up. So yeah, we jumped in the trade around here. So what time was that? Yeah, around 6:15 this morning. Yeah, we went long on gold. Rationale behind that was we are opening above the anchored VWAP and above the 9 moving average. And yeah, normally when the price opens above or below the VWAP, it gives you an indication who's in control, the buyers and the sellers. And the 9 moving average is just additional confirmation for myself. So that's why we've taken the trade, and we are very close to take profit. I'd be happy if we could hit that. If not, I might close the trade out at $300. But let's see now. Let's see if we can just get that final push through.
I feel like sometimes when I hop off, it's when gold does its thing. So I may just hop off now, Andrew, and
no worries.
leave you to it. But we'll be back tomorrow and do it all again.
Yeah, we go again tomorrow. Around 6 o'clock. Hopefully, I'll have Wi-Fi tomorrow. So my phone's held up well, right? The signal's done pretty good. We'll see how good it was when I play the video back. But thanks, Mandela, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Yeah, looking forward to it. I'm going to go make myself some nice Welsh tea. And all the best today with all your endeavors.
Yeah, you too. Thanks. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks. Bye.
And then there was one. No, thanks, Mandela. Great. It's really useful to run through the news, run through the charts. I know some of us traders, we actually forget about the high impact news, so it really helps when Mandela jumps on and runs through that with us for the day. So with this trade on gold, I'm quite mindful where we're at. I don't want to take a $40 today. I'd like to take the 600, but I might settle for a $300 stop loss. $300 is a pretty good start to the week, right? But yeah, we just watch it. We seem to have stalled here. So the last 3 candles on the M5, had a bit of a stall on the price. Hoping this candle can be that push through. And yeah, just running through the strategy, like I said. So just something I'd observed over the weekend. We can see here price opening below the anchored VWAP, price open below the 9 moving average. We've got a nice little move down, and I've done the same here for this buy position.
Hello, I like money.
So yeah, I think we need Mandela to jump off more often. So Mandela, right on cue, you jump off and we hit the take profit. So fantastic. That's a good start to the week. So yeah, we just took a $600 take profit. I am done for the day. So what I do now is lock myself out of the account. Yes, lock me out. So that's it. Happy trading. We done it. So yeah, $600 profit. I'm happy with that, and I just want to give a shout out again to TradeZella, but it's not sharing. Okay, here we are. So big thanks to TradeZella, the only tool you need to become profitable. So please go over to TradeZella.com, check them out. They have everything you need, right? You know, to keep a good journal. As you can see here, you can keep a record of your trades, your profit, and your loss. You can actually review your performance. Tells you how many trades you've taken. Gives you an expectancy of your trades. Actually get a Zella score here. Yeah, get a powerful and automated trade journal. So yeah, I'm gonna, obviously Mandela's already signed up to these guys and get it done myself. I've actually got a playbook, so you can have a look at the, you know, it's just self-explanatory what it's doing, right? And yes, it's a great way to keep track of your trades. Okay, I'm done for today. Thanks for watching. So yeah, we hit to take profit of $600. And yeah, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Thank you.